Just hours ago, the Florida Policy Institute released its latest figures ranking the well-being of children in Florida's 67 counties. So how is the Tampa Bay region doing? 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser breaks down the numbers, the trends, and what the Institute hopes will come from its detailed report.
Yellow, yes.
The Florida Policy Institute just released its 2022 Florida Child Well-Being Index. All 67 Florida counties ranked by how well kids are doing when it comes to the four major categories of economic well-being, education, health, and family and community support.
We're really not trying to pit one county against the other, but we're really saying, let's take a look here.
Overall, the survey found Florida is improving in most categories. Statewide, things are the same or better compared with measurements taken up to a decade ago.
It's really up to us as a state to help those counties make investments in their kids so the quality of their education is higher, that they're getting the access to healthcare that they need.
None of the Bay Area's 10 counties ranked in the top 15. Sarasota scored highest at 17, followed closely by Hillsborough and Hernando counties. Polk and Hardy still had challenges, although both showed improvement being made in several categories.
Counties with lower rankings tend to either have disinvested in kids or they just don't invest to the same degree or aren't able to invest in their kids to the same degree.
The most current statistics for many of the categories was 2020 or last year, meaning the impact of record inflation might not be fully known yet.
So yeah, next year will be telling for sure.
FPI is a nonpartisan group. Their goal, they say, is to compile this data so that state and county leaders can see where resource disparities might exist, what's working, what's not, and where to direct resources so improvements can be made, all for the benefit of our children. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
When compared with other states, Florida is ranked 35th. The Florida Policy Institute says we've held that same rank for the past 3 years. We're holding our own, they said, but should be making greater progress.